Layovers don't have to be a drag. In fact, they can be an exciting part of your travel adventure. First, research the airport facilities where you'll be spending your layover. Many major airports offer amenities like spas, lounges, and even mini museums. Downloading the airport's app can give you a heads up on what to expect and where to find these perks. If you have a longer layover, consider leaving the airport to explore the city. Check visa requirements and travel time to ensure you have enough time to see some sights without missing your connecting flight. Many cities offer guided layover tours tailored for travelers. Packing a small carry-on with essentials like toiletries, a change of clothes, and snacks can make your layover more comfortable. Utilize free Wi-Fi to catch up on work, stream your favorite shows, or stay connected with loved ones. Lastly, stay active to combat travel fatigue. Many airports have gyms or walking paths. Remember, a layover is a chance to add another layer to your travel story, so embrace it with a positive attitude and a sense of adventure. Enjoy the journey,